It's day 50. Good morning. Your girl woke up so under the weather, but I'm still here. It's no longer morning though, it is afternoon. I've been trying to nurse myself back to life. It's like a fibro flare on top of a cold. It's not cool, but I did too much over the weekend. My body doesn't know how to handle that. So we're gonna do a ginger lemon shot. Ginger lemon, cheers. It's Monday. Back to our regular scheduled program. Just not feeling regular. Time to open a new goalie. If I can open it. Sip of greens. We gotta recover from this weekend. Very delicious. I should save one for after this one because this I don't like. That's what I'm gonna do. That makes it easier. I'm gonna do that from now on.
Mom, can I show the knife from the Spider-Man club?
I'm doing that from now on. Oh, that makes it. She wants to show her button. Please don't hurt me. Oh, water you. I love them. Alright, now we're going to try some sea moss gummies. Now we're going to take our sea moss gummies. Our fat burner. We're going to do our shake. I have my 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 scoop vanilla protein, 1 scoop vanilla protein, 1 tablespoon of Cafe Bustelo, and a tablespoon of Silk coffee creamer. It's the best coffee creamer ever. I use it for my matcha too. So good. Add some ice in my shake. That's that. I'm gonna go drink my shake. I don't have any Perlas left, so see you guys later. Alright, so I am going to start prepping food because it's really late already. And I just need to have this food cooked. There's so much I need to do today and I haven't done like any of it. Kind of in a hurry. I'm using my veggie cutter because I'm gonna cut chicken later, so. If you want these, are on my Amazon storefront under kitchen finds. I'm gonna make some orange chicken, so I thought that having some vegetables, I can make like a little orange chicken bowl. So I'm not going crazy. I'm doing a very, very, very simple meal prep, which is zucchini and onions, chicken, and some cauliflower, rice, and jasmine rice. So it's gonna be a very simple bowl. It's a very simple meal prep. Kind of like the teriyaki one, but we're doing orange chicken today. Alright, so I cleaned my chicken and now I am going to cut them. I'm going to do 3 of them. This brown sugar teriyaki chicken that my kids like. And then 3 of them will be orange chicken, so I'll fast forward. Chicken here. The chicken is cooking here, and then the brown sugar teriyaki chicken is cooking there. Veggies sauteed and some jasmine rice, and in the microwave I just made this, and I'm going to, I'll show you how I mix it with the rice. But this is dinner for me, my kids, and my husband. Alright, so everything is almost done cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and take these because I'm going to clean up the kitchen. And yeah, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen before everyone starts eating. That way it's not a complete disaster, and then I'll clean it again when everyone's done. So just take one each. It's high in energy. And I'll see you guys when I make my plate. I'm doing 1/3 of rice, 1/4 of cauliflower rice. And I'm gonna mix it together like that. I'm going to do a cup of vegetables. Half a chicken breast on top, and then I'm going to get orange sauce. And put it on top of the chicken. And this is my healthy meal of the day. Yummy. I'm about to make more of these protein brownie bite things I made, but this time I'm going to use dark chocolate coconut, and I'm going to use baked goods. So I keep doing the same exact recipe that I have posted on my YouTube. I just keep changing the Formula 1 flavor to see how they taste. This one's going to be good. I added some coconut flakes and some of the Lily's no sugar added baking chips on top. So now we're going to go ahead and bake it. Wow.
It smells so good.
Wow. Oh.
You're smelling it.
This is what it looks like. It's done. Let's cut it. Wow. It's like they get better and better every time I make them. Look at that. Nice and thick. It's all dense. Okay. I'm not having a shake for dinner.
It looks so dark.
Or it's hiding in the corner eating ice cream. I'm not gonna have a shake for dinner because I'm still full from it. Did you hear that?
Yeah. What was that?
That dinosaur toy. Anyways, I'm still full from my chicken earlier, so I'm not gonna have a shake. So I'm just gonna take all my nightly supplements So that is 2 super greens. The nasty apple cider.
Very nasty.
But I figured out how to do it.
Wait, aren't those ones you bought the other day?
Yes. I figured out how to do it, Kamara. You gotta mix it with the super green.
What do the super greens taste like?
So if you try it with the super green, you want one?
What does it taste like?
They're really sweet.
They smell like those melatonins.
They're so much better than the apple cider,
Oh yeah.
right?
Apple cider ones are disgusting.
I gotta take it together.
Yeah, those are good.
These are really good. And then my nightly sea moss. These are the little cute ones.
Oh, can I one of those ones too?
And with my fat burner. Fat burner.
That sound is creeping me out.
Who's doing that? It's not Daddy. Is it Willow? Willow has paws.
Where is it?
I don't know.
AJ's new toy is like possessed. And now I'm doing my treatment.
Look a mess.
Yeah, you look beautiful. Why you look at me like that? And then I'm gonna go lay down. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.